Howdy y'all, welcome back to the channel. Cody and Jessica here, and we are with Megan and Michael, and this is our second live oak that we were touring on this trip. And you guys are still getting moved in, you know, it got a punch list, but you know, that is what it is, right? So, but y'all are doing a great job on this house, and we want to take y'all on a tour, so let's go.
This looks like an office over here.
Yes.
Is that how we're using it?
This is my office.
Mike. I love that light fixture.
Isn't that gorgeous? I really kind of wish that we had used it for the dining room. But I love it. I wanted something a little whimsical. I'm a creative type.
Yeah.
So got to figure out. You'll see, we put a doorway there instead of a mop closet. So that also that was our first, let's do a secret door here. Yeah. So that would look great as a bookshelf and then mimicking it on the other side.
Yeah, that'll be cute.
But it actually is a great pass through for, you know, getting around, you know, the kitchen and stuff like that. So I'm glad we did it. We used your inspiration and found a really pretty antique piece.
Oh, nice.
At a local antiques store.
So pretty.
And we enlarged the powder room as well.
So we took the closet that was in
the office,
and we extended the powder room this way.
Yeah.
And that gave us a little more room.
Yeah. I designed that wallpaper. I'm a graphic designer, and
You're so talented.
Might see there's dogs in there. So the running dog is an actual picture of our Finley, who is no longer with us, and the sleeping one is Riley.
Okay, and I think we should say, like, your plan is a reverse live oak.
Yes.
So, and this is the living room.
We still need to stain our beam, which Michael made.
Oh, wow, you made that? Good job.
Yeah.
I love that light fixture.
Thanks. I think I saw it in a couple of the other houses. It's like
so I've seen it in gold and black and
yeah. It's pretty. It fits.
It's perfect in here. Yeah. It's a good size for this space.
So we ended up doing Dolomite countertops.
Oh, they're gorgeous.
I would have spent a lot more time on countertop decisions than we did, because I did not realize how difficult it was going to be to find what I wanted. So I wanted granite and just couldn't find it.
It's a little messy, but
yeah.
but the mess gets pushed away.
That's right, it gets hidden. That's the key. Really pretty too. Tell me about these.
Love these. So I wanted something special and whimsical, and these are from Amazon.
So we changed the kitchen up with double ovens versus the ranged setup.
Yep.
And we've got plenty of storage. I mean, we've got more storage than we need. So
because we went all the way to the ceilings,
Yeah.
and with it being 10 foot, it's a lot. On the sink side, Michael and the framer decided that one window would be better there, right? Didn't you guys change the window size?
Yeah, to give us more cabinet space.
If I did it differently, I would do a larger window with a like a
Pass-through
yes,
counter.
because that would be great for when you're entertaining out on that side.
Yeah. Where did you get your cabinet?
So we got them through a place called Half Off Floors, which is in Dawsonville, Georgia. They're fantastic. We got our floors from them, but they also do cabinets. And so these are those ready to assemble cabinets,
Yeah.
but they assembled them for us.
Tell us what you did on this pretty backsplash.
So we had some of the countertop left over. So I kind of drew this up. Instead of doing a backsplash or something like that, you have that as a backsplash. In here, we're going to do some sort of storage with a seat, maybe a locker or two.
room.
Yeah. Here's your pantry.
Yeah, so the pantry's, once again, a project in the works. So we put up simple shelves for uppers. I'm currently building a countertop and cabinet bases for here.
It's a good sized pantry.
Oh, it is.
Huge.
Great space. And then here, we sometimes leave this as unfinished storage space, but it also makes a great office and workout room.
Yes.
So what are your floors?
They're LVP, and it's MSI.
Okay.
Larkin is the color. I think it's like MSI Reserve.
Okay.
I think it's their Reserve brand, but Larkin is the color.
And this is the primary bedroom.
Yes.
Supposed to be 3 windows with a transom. Or no, this is 3 windows.
3 windows.
And we wanted to save a little bit on a window and figured this would 2 was fine.
Here we are in the primary bath.
So the reason we have, you'll notice it. We have
Do I turn the lights?
a black mirror and a gold mirror. So this is my tip though. We got these mirrors at Kirkland's,
Okay.
and they were on sale for like $38.
Okay.
And I painted them and they looked beautiful, but what we used to hang them with, I won't say the name of the brand of the thing,
Oh yeah.
it didn't work. And this one fell and broke.
no.
Local Kirkland's, and they had like 2 or 3 of these. And they were having a clearance of their clearance. So we
wow.
got it for like $9.
Oh wow.
But I still have to paint
You
this.
gotta turn it gold now.
Yes.
Yeah. And so these vanities are really cute. Are these,
These are Home Depot,
okay.
but they did not come with these handles, these
Okay.
poles. The shower tiles are all from the Home Depot. So it's a large format porcelain on the walls, and then the floor is a marble hex tile.
Nice.
So we're still working on the screen porch. You can see we need to paint the bracing at the top for the screens. But I cannot wait.
Yes, it's going to be so nice.
This is like aside from having the big bathtub, this was what I was looking forward to most.
Yes. Oh, yes. What is the color?
This is Bear's Swiss coffee.
Oh, Bear Swiss. Okay, this is the first bedroom.
I haven't taken the plastic off of my light fixtures.
You're still just getting moved in, getting settled.
Yeah, these are the Home Depot same vanities. But you know, I've got 3 different metals right now, so they need to be painted.
Yeah.
So
well, it's all gonna come together.
Yeah.
And this is the other bedroom, the front center bedroom.
This is the one mattress and box springs that was in our secondary storage unit that did not get compromised.
Oh, thank goodness.
You want to see the attic space?
Yeah, so it should be pretty big because I know I've done a whole bedroom over here. Lots of storage space. And in this plan, I've done 3 bedrooms upstairs with 2 baths.
Yeah.
So it can definitely be done.
Absolutely.
And it's good to know that we could get a whole flight of stairs without turning.
Yeah. We just had to make that closet smaller.
Yep.
We already have quite a bit of equity in this house.
Yeah, so tell me about that. So did y'all get an appraisal after y'all finished yet? Have y'all done that yet?
Yeah. I think we probably have about $150,000 in equity.
Maybe closer to 200.
Yeah, that's great.
So it definitely paid off to do all of this ourselves.
Yes.
And
because they appraise it for what it would appraise for a builder to do it.
Yeah.
And so since y'all did it yourselves, then that was you.
And their cost per square foot, in fact, the insurance company told me that the cost per square foot, at least for our area, they're coming out at 200 and we're at 150.
Okay, good.
So yeah.
That's about right.
Yeah. So we did well.
Good.
For sure.
We went with 6/8 doors and just took the trim up.
Yeah.
And, tried to keep the spring line the same over here, even though it's squatted. But that worked out. The only 8-foot door we have is the front entry door because it works from the porch.
Yeah.
We just went with a single row of transoms versus doing the triple window or the double window above.
I just love how, for Thanksgiving, people can be there and here, and everyone's all still part of it.
Yes.
It's a great floor plan. Everyone that comes in is like, man, I love this floor plan.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, it's really, it feels like an older, farmhouse with the open, with a little bit of openness that you wouldn't have had back then. But especially, the stairs and the entry.
Well, my favorite part of the house is the bonus room.
It's a great space.
And I think that bonus room is a bonus on this floor plan. And I would suggest anybody that's going to build this floor plan, invest a little extra money, raise those walls, those pony walls up, because there's so much usable space in there.
It is. It's a lot of space.
And like us, if you want a basement but you can't afford the concrete prices, it's a great solution.
It is. Yeah. Well, it's beautiful, y'all.
Thank you.